section to do now. First of all, we have collective nouns. Collective nouns are those nouns in which you have one word, but this one word represents the whole of its class. This is called collective noun. Flock, audience, class, jury. These are example of collective nouns. Next, in the first sentence, I hear the flock was running here and there. झुंड इधर उधर भाग रहा था. This is wrong. The flock were running here and there. This is right. What is the reason behind this? I'll explain it now. The flock was running here and there. The flock is, for instance, if your flock is consisted of 10 animals, then 5 are running in one direction and 5 are running in another direction. It means that the one flock is running in two directions. This is not on the same point. अगर आपका झुंड एक ही सम्मत में जा रहा है और सब काम मिलकर, पूरी क्लास या पूरा कलेक्टिव नाउन मिलकर एक काम कर रहा है, तब वो सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ निकल आएगा. और लेकिन अगर आपका जो कलेक्टिव नाउन है वो एक सम्मत में नहीं जा रहा, बल्कि उसकी सम्मत डिफरेंट है, वो कलेक्टिव नाउन तो एक है लेकिन उसकी राय डिफरेंट है, उसकी सिम्मत डिफरेंट है, वो जो काम कर रहा है वो डिफरेंट है, अपने अपने काम किए जा रहे हैं, then this will be treated as plural. So the flock was running here and there. जो झुंड है वो इधर उधर हरकत कर रहा है, इधर उधर भाग रहा है, एक सिम्मत में भाग नहीं रहे हैं. That's why this is not in unity. So a flock was, if you are writing flock was running here and there, this will be wrong. But the flock were running here and there. झुंड इधर उधर इधर उधर भाग रहे थे, दुरुस्त होगा, because they are running in different direction. So now they are plural. They are not singular. वो यूनिटी में नहीं है, they are out of unity. That is why they will be treated as plural. I hope so I am cleared. If you still have any question in your mind, you can ask at then, because I know that this point must be a little bit confusion for you. That's why I have explained it in Urdu for you. So next is the jury was divided in their opinion. Jury is something that make decision. So here jury is making decision but divided in the part. If there are 5 members in the jury, अगर आपकी jury में 5 member हैं, they are on the different opinion. उनके मुख्तलिफ राय हैं. 2 are on the one side, 2 are on the another side, and the 5th one is and totally on the another direction in another side. आपकी जूरी में अगर 5 मेंबर हैं, 2 एक तरफ है, 2 दूसरी तरफ है और 5वां बिल्कुल ही दूसरी तरफ है, बिल्कुल चेंज उसकी राय है, then this jury, after this jury you won't write down singular helping verb, because this is plural now, this is not in unity. So here is the jury were divided in their opinion. Jury has different opinions, so that's why you will use plural helping verb after this. I'll explain it again. अगर आपकी ज्यूरी या आपका फ़ैसला करने वाले जो मेम्बरान हैं, अगर वो एक फैसले पर मुत्तफ़िक होते हैं, तब वो यूनिटी हैं, तब वो कलेक्टिव नाउन है, तब उनके साथ सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा. लेकिन अगर आपकी ज्यूरी, आपका फ़ैसला करने वाले एक पॉइंट पर मुत्तफ़िक नहीं हैं, दे हैव डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, उनके मुख्तलिफ राय हैं, मुख्तलिफ आरा हैं, तो दे विल बी plural, and after that you will use plural helping verb.